Are there any natural remedies to relieve sulfur burps and diarrhea?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a common but somewhat awkward problem: sulfur burps and diarrhea. While these symptoms can be uncomfortable and embarrassing, there are several natural remedies that may help. Remember, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen.
What are sulfur burps and diarrhea?
Before we jump into the solutions, let's first understand the problem. Sulfur burps, or burps that have a rotten egg-like smell, are caused by hydrogen sulfide gas produced in your stomach or gut. Diarrhea, on the other hand, refers to frequent loose or watery stools, often accompanied by cramping, bloating, or nausea.
Diet modifications.
The first step in managing sulfur burps and diarrhea is adjusting your diet. Avoid foods high in sulfur, such as eggs, meat, and certain vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. Additionally, it might be beneficial to cut down on sugar and alcohol, as these can promote the growth of sulfur-producing bacteria in the gut. Keeping yourself hydrated is important, especially when dealing with diarrhea. Water, herbal teas, and clear broths are excellent choices.
Probiotics.
Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They can balance your gut flora, possibly reducing the presence of sulfur-producing bacteria. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics.
Herbal remedies.
There are several herbal remedies that might help. Peppermint oil can reduce gas production and calm the digestive tract. Ginger is also known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea effects, making it a great remedy for upset stomachs.
Regular exercise.
Regular exercise promotes better digestion and prevents constipation, which can contribute to sulfur burps. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Sulfur burps and diarrhea can be quite discomforting, but with some dietary adjustments, probiotics, herbal remedies, and regular exercise, you may find relief. However, if these symptoms persist or become severe, it's important to seek medical attention. Remember, these tips are meant to supplement, not replace, professional medical advice. We hope you found this information helpful. Stay healthy and take care.